Now students, we will discuss the structure of RBI. RBI issued by Central Bank of Director for every 4 years. Means every 4 years the director is changed. Then official director is selected by the governor and 4 deputy directors. Some non-official director also there. Some non-official director are 10 directors plus 2 general officers and other 4 officers or director you can say. It is started from governor, then deputy governor, then executive director, then principal chief general manager, then chief general manager, then deputy general manager, then assistant general manager, and then manager, then assistant manager, and after that the last one is supporting staff. Students, RBI is also the chief institution of other banks. Means all the other nationalized or private sector bank are under RBI. So there are some objectives of RBI's are that currency, all the currency issue or forfeit or reissue of currency is done by RBI. In 2016, when the demonetization came, our 500 rupees note and 1000 rupees note was changed, and new 500 rupees note and new 2000 rupees note was issued. So it is done by RBI. Number 2 objective is development. RBI develops other bank, other institution also. Means they develop not only banks, all the nationalized banks, but other organizations, other companies also. RBI is the banker to government. Means when government need help, any financial help, RBI is always there to help the government. Also, RBI is the banker to the bank. Means if all the banks, nationalized or private banks, are in trouble, RBI is there to help. Few days back, Yes Bank, the private sector bank, was in big trouble. At that time, RBI helped Yes Bank to stand again. Now, another objective is monetary and fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is related to tax system. RBI is control tax system of India, and monetary policy is the loan system. RBI decides how much interest you have to give every year when you take a loan from a bank. So it was wholly done by RBI. Number 6 objective is foreign reserve. RBI also manages foreign currency, means the dollar, how much you have to pay $1. It's all totally controlled by RBI. RBI also act as an advisory role to the government also, to the private organization also, and to the banks also. When any bank gets in trouble, RBI is always there to help them. Not only bank, also the other organizations. In the next video, students, we will discuss the credit control. Thank you.